I have come for those who are suffering from cataract or glaucoma. If you have gone to the hospital and the doctor tell you that you have cataract or you have glaucoma, I don't want to talk of those with blurred vision, those with itchy eyes or red eyes or eye bags. No, you know, the most severe case of any eye issue is cataract or glaucoma. So on my last video, I gave a remedy for those with blurred vision, those with red eye. If you're suffering from cataract or glaucoma, you can still use that one. That one is just to apply castor oil on the lid of your eye before going to bed. But this remedy will help you to treat that cataract and to help you to treat that glaucoma. What do we need? We need just onion. You need just onion, two kind of onion, the red onion and the white onion. You get 3 pieces of red onion, you cut it, soak it inside 2 liters of water, you boil for just like 3 minutes. Then you take 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. You drink it continuously for 2 weeks. When the one that you boil gets finished, you boil another one again. Now it's only red. We are talking of only the red onion. You boil it and you will be drinking. You get it, chop it, cut it, put it inside a pot, boil it for some time, and then you drink the water. Then now the one that you're supposed to use as eye drop is both the red onion and the white onion. You get 1 small red onion and 1 small white onion. You peel the back, you wash it very well, you chop, look for a clean container, put it inside, then you add water. The water should just be above the onion. So you cover it for 24 hours. Close it and keep down. You don't put on the fire, just cover it and keep for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you look for an eye drop container. You pour it inside. Don't put the onion or just the water. You pour the water inside and you drop it on your eyes. Every morning and evening, you drop it on the 2 eyes, morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening, and you do it continuously for like 1 month. Before it is 1 week, you start seeing great improvement, but you have to take the treatment continuously for 1 month without break, and it will cure that glaucoma or cataract that is disturbing your eyes.